Hello, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, actually, please don't, spare your mental health. Here are the types of videos you can expect from my channel.
So guys, today, right now I'm in Rome. So as I was walking down the streets in Rome, I came across this guy who's making paintings on the road. Like, there are many guys, but this one was, my favorite because I liked one of the painting of the Colosseum. So I decided to stop and show you how these paintings are done in like 10 minutes. As in, this guy is so good at this. If you watch what he's doing and you see the end product, you wouldn't believe it actually. And he's so fast, so spontaneous. As in, his work is just amazing. So I got myself a painting, and I thought I should show you guys how this is done. See how guys are creative here. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy watching this video. It's a short video actually, and there's not much into it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and comment. Tell me the kind of videos you want to see, anything interesting, just comment and leave a thumbs up. So
Fammi una gentilezza, Lucia. Non guarda avanti.